Thank you for joining us on another U2 apartment tour. Today we're in prime Crown Heights, Brooklyn, just off Eastern Parkway and Albany Avenue, viewing a beautiful move-in ready 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that checks all the boxes for comfortable city living. As we step inside, you're greeted by a thoughtfully laid out living space with great natural light and clean finishes throughout. The apartment features 2 separate bedrooms, one spacious enough to comfortably sit a queen-sized bed, and the other perfect for a full-sized bed, home office, or creative space. Each bedroom comes with its own closet for added storage. The kitchen is outfitted with modern stainless steel appliances, including a dishwasher and microwave ideal for everyday cooking or weekend hosting. Whether you're meal prepping or making late-night snacks, everything you need is right at your fingertips. That's not all. This elevator building with an on-site super include a laundry room, a gym, and a yoga room. Location is everything, and this apartment is steps from major train lines, including the 2, 3, 4, and 5 trains at Kingston and Utica Avenue. You're just minutes from Prospect Park, the Brooklyn Museum, the Botanic Garden, Prospect Park Zoo, the Barclays Center, Brower Park, and much more. Pets are welcome here, and the apartment is ready for immediate move-in. Heat and hot water are included, and a broker fee does apply. To qualify, good credit is a plus. A general income of $136,000 is ideal for approval. If you're ready to make this apartment your new home, visit us at www.U2apartment.com or call or text us at 646-504-4483.